How to change the volume level of added sound in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the volume size of your added sound in your YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and after that you can see I have already added up the sound. So if I want to change the volume of that sound, I can simply tap right here on the volume, and you can see I can drag this icon and I can drag it up to 100 or I can drag it up to 0. So you can see I can silence this sound and I can be open this sound. So this is how you can easily change the volume level of your video, your added sound in your video. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.